From elegant curtains to smart motorized blinds, Dubai Curtain Shop has the Orvilla, premium style tillation all in one place. Transform your windows today.
Bring natural light and effortless elegance into your home with premium sheer curtains. Enjoy beautiful daylight while maintaining daytime privacy. For deeper sleep and complete privacy, choose premium blackout curtains. Block unwanted sunlight and help keep your room comfortable throughout the day. Zebra blinds give you the freedom to control light and privacy with ease. A stylish dual-layer design made for modern Dubai interiors.
Keep it simple and sophisticated with premium roller blinds. Smooth operation, clean design, and effective light control for any space.
Why choose between natural light and privacy? Combine sheer and blackout curtains for complete flexibility, from soft daylight to full privacy. Experience effortless luxury with motorized curtains. Open and close your curtains smoothly with a remote or smart system.
Upgrade your windows with smart motorized blinds. Adjust light and privacy at the touch of a button. Experience ultimate convenience.
Add warmth and timeless character to your interiors with premium wooden blinds. Beautiful texture, precise light control, and lasting style.
Create a refined look with fabric vertical blinds. Enjoy smooth light control, enhanced privacy, and a wide choice of fabrics and colors. For classic elegance with powerful performance, choose Blackout Eyelet Curtains, designed to reduce sunlight, heat, and unwanted visibility. Discover the beauty of perfectly formed wave folds. Combined with blackout fabric, they create a seamless and luxurious modern finish. For a refined and minimalist look, choose Roman blinds. Their elegant stacked folds provide beautiful style with effortless light control.
From elegant curtains to smart motorized blinds, Dubai Curtain Shop has the Orvilla, premium style tillation all in one place. Transform your windows today.